Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through some common vacuum maintenance for the DREAME L10s Ultra Gen 2. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, on the vacuum, we'll just start at the top, simple and straightforward here. For the lidar navigation module, there shouldn't be anything you have to do. If you notice dirt or debris, just get a can of compressed air to clean that out. And then make sure this bumper up at the top is free from any obstructions. Next, we can open up the cover to reveal the dustbin, and they actually have your care and maintenance instructions right here. Everything is washable and rinsable. So you can empty this out, you can clean out the filter, give it a couple of taps in the sink over the wastebasket, then you can rinse that out, wash and rinse everything out here. And you can make sure that door is clean from any debris as well, but wash and rinse. If you don't want to reuse the filter or it's been a while, you can always replace this with extra filters. And that'll just snap right back in place there. On the inside here, you can just investigate this for any clogs or hair building up and remove as needed. That'll just snap right back in. Looking at the front side of the vacuum, just make sure that this sensor is free from any dirt or dust. You can wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. On the back side right here, this is where all the contents empty out into the self-empty base, so you can make sure that's free and you can wipe that down as needed. Make sure the charging contacts don't have anything on them blocking them from working properly, and you can wipe down that back sensor. And then we have one more side sensor there. Looking at the bottom, the side brush is replaceable. It just pops right off, so when it wears out, you can put a new one on. It just snaps right in place. You can also remove it to cut away any hair that might be tangling and accumulating on the side brush, and then just snap it right back in. You have your cliff sensors here, so that's how it knows when it's off the floor, or if it's going to a step, it won't fall down and drive down the steps. You can wipe those down. Main brush roller, so this comes apart. If you have any hair tangled here, you can cut it away. Most of the hair is going to tangle on both sides. And then you have these little arrows on it. Let's see if I can do this the right way. But you just have the ability on both sides here. These pop off. Okay, so they don't even have arrows. Well, this side doesn't have an arrow. But that just pops off. So you can just pull that side off. Then the hair comes out very easy. And then you can just snap that right back on. So that just goes in. This one has an arrow, but I actually don't know. You don't have to. I thought maybe it had to line up a certain way. Some models do. I guess that's more of an iRobot thing. But for this particular brush roller, it just pulls right off. So same thing, detangle it. They make it very easy if you have long-haired humans in your household. Also, I believe this particular model, if you don't like this brush roller, you can upgrade to DREAME's Tri-Cut brush, which does a much better job if hair is your #1 priority to avoid having to detangle it there. You can also just wipe down in there. And then both mop pads are just held on by magnets, so those pop right off. And then it's just Velcro. So if you want a deeper clean or to freshen them up, you can throw them in your washing machine. Just pull the pads off. If the pads are worn out and they're beyond saving, right, you've used them for months, if not years, then you can go ahead and get some new mop pads as well too. And in here, you can just make sure it's wiped down and clean. And this is going to be your mop extend. So make sure there's no debris on that side either of your robot vacuum. And then the mop pads just snap right back on. So there's not much to it overall. It's a simple and straightforward vacuum to take care of.